Hi guys, I'm Mark.
And Mary.
And we're at the Music Center of North Haven, located at 473 Washington Avenue in North Haven. How are we all doing?
We're doing great. It's back to school season.
Back to school
Yay.
season. And what does that mean? Well, it means a lot of different things for a lot of different people. But for us, because we're in the music business, it means school band rentals
Yay.
and all the supplies that you need for your band.
Exactly. Don't forget the rent from home.
Oh, and by the way, if you don't want to come see us, you can actually rent from home at musiccenternorth.com. Just follow the link. It's right on the front page, and you'll find out that we're one of the least expensive in Connecticut when it comes down to rentals. Also, unfortunately, we did find out that most of the schools in Connecticut are not starting elementary school band this year. They're going to wait till January to reevaluate, I guess, but it doesn't mean that you have to be left behind the 8 ball.
Exactly. Wouldn't it be great if you already had selected your instrument, you've already learned how to play it because of your private lessons, and then when it reconvenes in January, your band teacher already has a group of players. Wouldn't that be wonderful?
Yeah, let me ask you a question now. Where would they get lessons?
Right here.
We have lessons here!
Online.
Yeah, online or in store, but remember, don't forget to wear your mask if you come in. So we're here for all your band instrument needs and pretty much anything when it comes down to music. So I want you to understand that we're here to help. Any questions, feel free. Always feel free to call us at 203-234-8865. Extension 3 will get you right up to the front. You'll probably talk to me up front. But on that note, we want to wish you all a healthy and happy new school year.
Absolutely. Stay safe.
Yes, and
And
don't
wash
forget.
your
yes,
hands.
Yes, wash your hands and wash your mouthpieces, guys.
Yes.
Remember.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, and we'll talk to you soon.
Don't forget,
Keep the music playing!